Assalamualaikum and have a very good day to our lecturer, Wan Nurul Huda and beloved friends. Today, we would like to present about our business. But before I start to present, let me introduce myself. My name is Farah Nur Humaira binti Suhaizat with my matrix number is 10DPM20F2001. Spin and Spoon is the name of our business. The nature of business is Spin and Spoon Company offers self-service laundry, and at the same time we provide a small cafe for these laundry users. The word spin refers to the laundry, while spoon refers to the cafe. The cafe provided is not only specific for laundry users but can also be a place for general visits. It means that people who come and do not use the laundry service can also come to our cafe. Our laundry provides washing and drying services. People can go into the cafe and order any of drinks as well as snacks such as brownies cake that are available, fries, wedges and many more while waiting for their clothes to be washed and dried. In this way, they can reduce their thirst and boredom of waiting for their clothes to be washed or dried in a quite long time. Next is about industry profile of Spin and Spoon. Spin and Spoon is a self-service laundry and cafe that serves brownies, fast food and also various types of drinks. Business laundry is a self-contained laundry that details washing, drying, ironing and folding. In the washing process, we use modern machines and technology to provide premium laundry services to customers at attractive and affordable prices. A combination of laundry and cafe is an innovative idea nowadays because more consumers are using self-service laundry services. To avoid getting bored of waiting for their clothes to be washed, they can come to our cafe and eat some delicious food and water as well as a variety of other menus to try. Furthermore, for those who bring children, Spin and Spoon is a suitable choice because parents do not have to worry about their children getting irritable. It is because children are very like sweets that are available in our store. Location of Spin and Spoon is located at number 26, Regat Sri Cempaka, Taman Cepaka, 31400 Ipoh, Perak. The location is strategic because it is near to the town, residential area, and also close to the Ungu Omar Polytechnic. The date of commencement is on 1st January 2020. Factor of selecting the proposed venture. We have decided to establish this business due to the opportunity and potential to make profits at Taman Cepaka area. Besides that, there are several reasons that attracted us to the business and its location. Altogether, there are 3 reasons why we decided to establish Spin and Spoon. Firstly, we observed that Taman Cepaka area is a strategic place for this business because of its area, which have housing estates, schools, educational institutions, fire stations, and other government agencies. There are a few more laundromats like ours, but we believe the uniqueness of our laundry and cafe business is able to attract the attention of some residents in the area. Secondly, there are many working men and women in this area. Many of them have no time to wash their clothes due to busy work and time constraints. While they wash clothes in our laundry, they can also relax themselves in the cafe and get a piece of brownies and coffee. For these reasons, we assume that some of them will require our services. Thirdly, there are some students who rent a house at Taman Cepaka Housing Estate. Of course, they really need this self-service laundry to wash their clothes. There are some rental houses that do not provide equipment such as washing machines, so I think opening a self-service laundry business is a good idea. Future prospect of the business. When the finances of this business are stable, we plan to open other branches and expand our business in other housing areas. In addition, we will always improve the quality and service as well as service. For the cafe business, we will always add more variety of menu so that customers will not get bored and always want to try our new menu. To provide better quality services, we plan to hire well-trained and experienced workers who have been trained in any training institutions such as vocational college and community college. In addition, we would also like to open a training center for baking which is owned by our company to provide knowledge and training in baking and making. As conclusion, this business has a good future prospect by fulfilling the needs of people, parents with children of Ipoh, Perak. The purpose of preparing a business plan is as a guide for managing the proposed business venture in servicing. Since this is a new company, a guide is very important to assist us in understanding the nature of the laundry and cafe service business and the working components of the company. In preparing this business plan, we have listed down the plans and strategies of the business in order to achieve the company's goals. This business plan is also prepared to obtain working capital loan from Mara for an amount of 20,000 ringgit. Company background of Spin and Spoon. The name of the company is Spin and Spoon. It is located at number 26, Regat Sri Cempaka, Taman Cempaka, 31400 Ipoh, Perak, Darul Rizwan. The telephone number is 60544040004. Our email is spin.spoon@gmail.com. Form of business is partnership. The main of business activities is laundry and cafe services. The date of commencement is on 1st January 2022 and the date of registration is on 15 December 2021. Our company registration number is 2021121150014, IP 0228091K. Name of bank is Maybank Berhad and the account number is 0322026267.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Karunisa binti Mokhtar. I'm a mentor something 01 DPM 20F2016. Okay, I will continue our presentation. So, I will present about partnership agreement. For our business name for our business is Spin and Spoon. Form of business is partnership. And our location business is at number 26, Regat Sri Cempaka, Taman Cempaka, 31400 Ipoh, Perak, Darul Rizwan. And equity contribution is, capital of our business is 46,000 and capital equity contribution are as at table. First, me as a manager, Karunisa binti Mokhtar, my equity contribution is 10,000 and percentage of contribution is 20%. Next, Farhan Rumala is our human resources manager. The equity contribution is 10,000 and percentage of contribution is 20%. Next, Nur Ain Shazrin. The equity contribution is 10,000 and the percentage of contribution is 20%. So next, Muhammad Zarfan Zahiruddin. The equity contribution is 8% and percentage of contribution is 20%. And lastly, Firdaus Iskandar. The equity contribution is 8,000 and percentage of contribution is 20%. So the percentage of contribution is totally same for all workers. Next, we go to the financial matter. Financial matter, the profit and loss of the company are distributed to all shareholders according to their capital equity percentage. If one of the shareholder is declared bankrupt or has many liability or has been proven fraudulent, all other shareholders have the right to dismiss the guilty shareholder. If the shareholder does not want to continue his or her involvement in the company, his or her capital will be given back after the profit and loss of the company have been taken into consideration. The finance manager keep all account and all shareholder will authorize view account. Next is management and position. Me as a Karimisa binti Mokhtar as a manager, Farhan Humaira binti Suhaizat, Human Resources Manager, Nur Ain Shajrun binti Rohizat, a financial manager, Muhammad Zarif bin Zahiruddin is a marketing manager, and Firdaus Iskandar bin Nasruddin is operation manager. Okay, next is debt and dissolvent. Liquidation depends on the consents of all shareholders in the matter regarding debt or loss of sanity. However, shareholders should get profit or capital until the shareholder quit. Next, labor right. All shareholders must recognize the right of employees in accordance with the law. Other matters, dismiss notice should be given by the shareholder who wish to quit from the business within 30 days from dismiss date and agreed by other shareholder. The contribution by the shareholder can be claimed whether the company gains profit or loss depending on the ratio or contribution. This dismissal will be enforced within 24 hours. Okay, next is background of purpose project. The physical of location, Spin and Spoon is located at number 26 Regat Sri Cempaka, Taman Cempaka 31400, Ipoh, Perak, Darul Rizwan. The premise is a shop that is located in the town of Taman Cempaka. Okay, price of premise is the rent for the premise is 1,000 per month, and expense for water, electricity, and Wi-Fi bill is about 1,500 per month. Okay, distance from the source of raw material, we buy raw material stock from distribution located in Damansara Damai, Petaling Jaya, Selangor. Delivery is made directly from the factory and others are made in bulk at once. Thus, the shopping cost is free. So next, availability of manpower. Since we were just about to start our business, so we decided to remain the number of existing manpower. This is because an increase in the number of employees will increase the total cost. Next, transportation facility. Customer can reach our premise by various of land transportation as our premise is close to roads and other shops. It can be said that our premise has a strategic place for consumer in the area. Next, distance from customer. Our premise is located for about 560 meters from the Ungkoma Polytechnic, which make it close and easy for students to come to our cafe and laundry. It is about 200 meters from the residential area, which can facilitate the resident there to come to our premise. Last, basic amenities. Our premise is equipped with free detergent facilities, free Wi-Fi connection, chair, table and basket for laundry user, as well as water and electric supplies. For our small cafe, there is also free Wi-Fi connection and toilet. Okay, next is a mission, vision, and objective of our business. At this slide, we can see our logo of the business, Spin and Spoon. For our company vision is the best laundry and cafe service and fulfill the customer needs. Company mission is running highly innovative, quality and successful laundry and cafe service in Malaysia. Company objective. First, Always ensure the supply of equipment, production of products, and services provided by the company are at a high level of quality and meet the time period set in line with the need of customer and consumer. Handling all matter in accordance with company procedure through work ethic and cultivating good values between suppliers and customer. Last, always be sensitive and ready for every change that occurs so that the quality of service is improved from time to time. Okay, as we can see, this is our organizational chart. The number of employees is not many and will increase from time to time after the business run and grow. So we can see Karimisa binti Mota as a manager, Farah Rumaira binti Swayzat as a human resources manager, Nura Shajur binti Rohizat as a financial manager, and Muhammad Zahir bin Zahiruddin as a marketing manager, and last Firdaus Iskandar bin Nasaruddin is operation manager. Okay, next is the table is show a list of office equipment and supply. First, we have a set of office desks. The quantity is 1, price per unit is 250 and total amount is 250. Next, bookshelf and file cabinet. The quantity is 1. So the price per unit is 170. Next, we have a sofa set. We have a 1 set, and 1 set is 600. Next, we have air conditioner, and we have 1 for the office, and the price is 1,150. Next, we have 1 printer, and the price of the printer is 455. Next, we have a whiteboard. So the whiteboard is 100 per unit. And last, we have 5 sets of PC computer for all workers, and the price per unit is 899. So the total amount is 4,495. So the total of office equipment and supplies is 7,210 ringgit. Next, we go to the SWOT analysis. For the strength for our business is our location will draw in visitor and downtown shoppers, reasonable pricing for the citizens and visitor. So for opportunity, we can expanding the market, improvement of ads and promotion and online business. And for the threat, we have pricing competitions, presence of other cafe shops, and difficult to enjoy the economic feel. So for our weakness, limited experience, need more investment in new technologies. Competitor can offer similar service with more reasonable price. Okay, this is our competitor. First, we have Laundry Bar at 39 Jalan Seri Cempaka, Taman Cempaka, 31400 Ipoh Perak. The strength is experienced staff, and the weakness is the shop is too narrow and no cafe service. For second, we have Speed Laundry. The location is at 121 Regat Seri Cempaka, Taman Cempaka, Ipoh Perak. The strength has many machines, but the weakness is no cafe service. For the competitors is next we have a Kedai Dobis Wine at 31 Jalan Cempaka Sari, Taman Cempaka, Ipoh Perak. The strength is competitive pricing. The weakness is no cafe service. Next, we have Vending Laundry. The location is at 113 Jalan Wirajaya, Taman Ipoh Jaya, Ipoh Perak. And the strength is experienced staff. and the weakness is quite far from Taman Chempaka residential area and no cafe service. Okay, next we have this table show market share. First, we have competitor before in the market. Before we enter the market, laundry bar have a percentage of 30%. After we enter the market, the percentage is decreased about 2%. And the estimate number of customer per year, 28% times to 10,000, and they get 2,800. For the speed laundry, before we enter, they get 28%. And next, after we enter the market, the percent is decreased about 2% also. So the total for the customer, they get 2,400. Next, we have kedai dobis ones. The percentage before we enter the market is 22%. After we enter the market, also decreased about 2%. So the total is 2,000. And last, vending laundry. The percentage before 20%, and after we enter, decrease about 3%, and they get 1,700. For the spoon and spoon, after we enter the market, we get percentage of market is 11%. So 11% times to 10,000, we get 1,100. Okay, next we go to the marketing strategies. So for the product or service strategies, we have brands. So as we can see, so the description of brands is we ensure that the products and our service offered to the customer are high quality and meet the customer needs and demands. To maintain the high quality of our product, we ensure that all measurement is accurate. And for the cafe, if there are any orders and customer wants to custom the brownies, we will discuss with customer beforehand if there are any specific detail or requested. So for the packaging, we use bulk packaging because bulk is protective packaging. Protection is the most important aspect for packaging. Bulk packaging leads to increased safety for deliver the brownies or to make it easy for our customer to carry it. The box that we use is not too big and not too small, easy to bring and carry. For the labeling, these are business label for our cafe that stay on the surface of the product as long as product is being used. Usually they are made of eco-friendly material and to ensure that it does not affect the quality and safety of the products. Business label are important for any company expenditure. The logo is to inform the customer the manufacturing our business, like the girl who wear the chef hat at the label. That is enough to show what business we run. Next, we have distribution strategies. For first channel is shop lots, our shop lots, and we already have premise located in Taman Chempaka, which is close to facility such as restaurant and more. The premise is shop that is located in the town of Taman Chempaka and Ungkoma Polytechnic. Channel 2, online marketplace. We have made some promotion in online marketplace like our business Instagram, Facebook page and WhatsApp, because the platform have a lot of audience and people nowadays love to online shoppings, so we choose this platform to selling our products. People also will get to know our laundries better from the online marketplace.
Now let me continue the presentation about operational plan and financial plan. Before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nur Aisyah Zrimenti Rahizat and my matric number is 01DPM20F2008. The operational plan is one of the most important factors to consider in a business. Like other companies, our target is to ensure that our services are the best quality and able to satisfy our customers' needs and wants. Hence, a systematic operational plan is formed so that our business runs smoothly and achieves its objectives. The objectives of our operational plan are to provide the organization's operational planning staff a clear view of their duties and responsibilities consistent with the goals and objectives contained in the strategy plan. Next, to focus on the services and products, which are production, equipment, personnel, inventory, and processes of the company. Thirdly, to ensure the machinery and equipment required to start the production process runs smoothly. Fourth, to ensure that the source of raw materials is always sufficient and consistent from the supplier. The last one is always make inventory controls such as reviewing and recording stock over a period of time to meet business needs. This is the business hours for Spin and Spoon. For our self-service laundry, we open for 24 hours every day, and for our cafe, we open from 10 a.m. until 6:30 p.m. Next, material requirements. There are about 90 materials with the quantity shown in the table that we need in this business. The total of this material requirement is Rm 4,144 and 20 cents. For machine and equipment requirement, we use washer machine 10 kg, 14 kg and 20 kg with 3 units respectively. We also use dryer machine with 6 units, ice grinder machine 1 unit, mixer and oven with 2 units. The total of machine and equipment requirement is Rm 25,500. Next is our operation layout plan. Figure 4 is premise layout diagram for cafe and figure 5 is premise layout diagram for self-service laundry. Let's continue for operational budget. For fixed asset, we have machine Rm 25,500. For working capital, we have raw material and packaging and maintenance Rm 4,244 and 20 cents. For other expenditure, we have renovation Rm 3,000. The total is Rm 32,744 and 20 cents. Now let me explain about our financial plan. The total of project implementation to start the business is Rm 71,547 and 70 cents. The total of financial sources is Rm 66,000 including cash and loan. Let's move to the loan amortization. The loan amount is Rm 20,000 with the interest rate of 4%. The loan period for amortization is 10 years. The principal for every year is 20,000 and the interest for every year is 800. Next, pro forma cash flow statement for the first year. Total cash inflow for 1 year is Rm 402,490. Total cash outflow for 1 year is Rm 245,964. So we get the net cash flow with the total of Rm 156,526 and the final balance is Rm 313,052. The last one is income statements. Sales amounting to Rm 336,490 minus total operating expense amounting to Rm 192,596. We get the total net profit before tax amounting to Rm 143,894. The conclusion is we are very confident that this business plan will yield significant profits and it will succeed in capturing the existing market not only in the local community location but also in the international market. The power of digital marketing in this era allows customers to find our business wherever they are. We hope this loan application can be approved and can help us to continue the thrive in this field of laundry and cafe business. On revenue and expenditure planning and projections, Spin and Spoon is confident that this business venture will yield a satisfactory return on investment from its second year
of operation. For the first year, we estimate to incur very minimal losses due to newly started operations. The business will implement business strategies on an ongoing basis, especially in the marketing aspect, to ensure that the business is known to many customers, and we hope to build a loyal customer base throughout our operations. That's all from us. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.